Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to react to crunchy, soft and also firecrackers with corn. Before we start this video, I really want to tell you guys, don't try this at home. I'm only doing to entertain you guys, okay? So also, you have to support my channel before this video starts. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and do the post notifications on all. Like this, you could support my channel a lot. Let's begin today's video. And also, warning, this video is intended for scientific and entertaining purposes only. Don't try this by yourself, okay? Let's start today's video. So, what was that? It is it was Orbeez. Oh yeah. Oh, it feels satisfying. But like, imagine that someone would be standing right in front and he would just get splashed all with the juice. Eggs. Oh. Like after the video, I don't know how people clean their car tires. Oh my god. Yo, that is amazing. The water gun just ran away. This is amazing, literally. Oh, toothpaste. Yo, this is satisfying. But they should do it without the balloons. It would look more satisfying. But still, it looks good. I like that. I really like that. Like this all stuff is like so satisfying. And the lettuce. Oh, the firecrackers. Oh my god. They should do that again. Yeah, they're doing it. I thought the firecrackers would burn, but they didn't. Oh, water balloon. And it popped. They should like show it in slow-mo. Yeah, they did. Oh, it looks so satisfying. Fanta and water balloons. Popped water balloons. Yeah, water balloons got popped. Good video. I like that. I like that very much. Let's move on to another video. So, this is another video over here which I found on the internet. You heat up the knife, and yeah, of course, don't try this at home. Oh my god, it is satisfying. Oh yeah, the satisfying feeling. Oh my god, it just got on fire for a second. Literally, this is amazing. Oh my god. What if it just gets on fire and then the fire doesn't stop? I'm warning you, please don't try anything in this video in your own home. Okay? Please don't try anything from this video in your own home. And actually this was it for today's video. I know a lot of videos left it, but I'm of course not reacting to that. Why are you not reacting to that? Because you are not hitting the subscribe button. Okay, hit the subscribe button so I could also react to other videos. Okay, if you like my reacting videos, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like today's video. Hope you enjoyed today's video. For the next time, bye.